Geography, you made it. Final assignment, 8th grade year. All right, congratulations. It's been one heck of a year. Big obstacle right in the middle of it. I think that you guys overcame it really well. I think you guys really stuck through it. I'm hoping that we have you back to normal right in the fall when we get back. Hopefully we don't have to do anything strange at that time. But I think that you guys did awesome with this. So congrats on that. Sure, we didn't get through everything that we would have got through in a normal year, but I think that you guys probably learned a lot more from this experience of, having to change and adapt in the middle of everything and all this crazy stuff. You're living through history. It's kind of an insane time. And it looks like we're almost on the other side of it. So be proud of that. Be proud that you made it through, even if this was a really big struggle for you. Be proud that you kind of made it through because, it's difficult for all of us. And I think that you guys did a really good job. So congrats on that. As far as your end of the year procedures, I will be there at your checkout day. So I hope to see you. Stop by, say hi. I'll probably be wearing a mask. I will have the stash still, but it might be covered up a little bit. I don't know what the deal is for checkout, but I do know one thing that you need for geography is you got to bring the book back, okay? So let's see, there's about 40 of you out there, so I should get about 40 books back. All right, I'll get the exact numbers later. But make sure that when you come and do your checkout, you bring your geography book back. That's the one thing I know. Just look for Mr. Moriarty's updates and all that. Otherwise, I will say that I'm really going to miss this 8th grade class. I think that it's the group that I connected with the most out of my 5 years so far here at Springfield. Time has really flown. But I don't know what it was about your group. It's a little smaller of a group. I just really feel like I kind of really know each one of you. And I think that, as years go by, you get better and better. And I think that I've grown a bit as a teacher, and I think that allowed me then to kind of focus more on, you guys, talking to you guys and connecting with you guys. And this is that group that I kind of felt the most connected with. So I'm really going to miss you guys. I really hope that you don't forget about me. Maybe at some point down the line I end up seeing you again in a class if we switch things up later. But as of now, for what we know, I will probably, not see you again for a little while. But I will be in the school. I'll be in the hallways, so don't forget about me. Always come say hi. Always, I'm always here to talk for you. I can help you out with classes. I did graduate high school, so even if I'm not a teacher of that class, I at least know a little bit of something, whether it be science, math, whatever. Math might be a little difficult, but otherwise, you are on your very final assignment, and it is your final scavenger hunt as we move to another continent. I just at least want you to see a little bit of Asia, all right? We usually would get to Australia. Asia's getting on to our last unit, but unfortunately, like we said, we're running out of time. So your assignment for the day is your scavenger hunt, all right? It's actually not technically due until Monday, really Tuesday of next week. But hope to get it done as soon as possible. It's only 25 questions. Starts on page 542. We're looking at the region that you see beneath me here, called South Asia. The big countries of that region. In fact, we're not even going to include Afghanistan in that region. The big countries that you'll be looking at are Pakistan and India, probably your most famous ones. Nepal, which is right, the little green country right above India there. That and Bhutan, they're both mountain countries in the Himalayan mountains where you find Mount Everest, the biggest mountain and tallest mountain in the world. So we're just going to get a little bit acquainted with it before we head out so that at least I can say to Mr. Bertram that, well, they've at least seen the continent of Asia before they left my class this year. Do your best on that. All right, it's only 25 questions. I think a lot of you will cruise right through it, and then you're done. All right, so congratulations on making it to the end. I'm really going to miss you guys. Make sure that you come by and say hi either at checkout next year, whenever. See me on the streets. Always wave. Otherwise, you guys have a great summer. Try to enjoy it a little bit. Hopefully, we're getting back to normal. It seems like we're heading in that direction. So have a great one, and I hope to see you soon. Message me on Schoology, whatever. Have a good one, people. See you later.